Good morning, everyone. My name is Morisako Tatsuya. I'm a third-year student of Kyoto University Agriculture and Environmental Engineering. Today, I want to explain about watermelon harvesting robot, which is, as you know, the machine for collecting watermelon automatically in open field. First of all, I want to tell you about the needs of this kind of robot. Watermelons are very heavy and grow on ground. In order to harvest this fruit, farmer must bend down their back. That work is very painful and laborious. Especially, it is very painful for Japanese aging farmers. However, if there are the robots, the farmer can harvest it more easily. Then, I want to tell you about stalk. The left picture is the prototype machine for stalk. And right one is the open field experiment of stalk. This robot has 3 degrees of freedom. Hydraulic actuators are used for all joints in order to handle heavy objects. Hydraulic means hydraulic means that system is operated by oil compression. So hydraulic actuator has large power to harvest heavy objects. Moreover, hydraulic system is sustainable for use in the open field. Stalk has machine vision to recognize the fruit. I want to describe about the harvesting pattern of this robot. Please look at this picture. Watermelon grow up in this B area. The runner of fruit is already cut off. Runner is one part of plant body, which connects its root with fruit. Yes, the runner is already cut off. The robot goes along the ridge. It recognizes the fruit by its camera. Its computer calculates circularity. By calculating circularity, the robot can distinguish fruit from leaves or runners. It picks up the watermelon and brings it to a carrying machine. Carrying machine follows harvesting robot. It is because harvesting robot has no space to contain watermelons. That is harvesting pattern. And I report the result of field test. This experiment was conducted in the experimental farm of Kyoto University. From the field test, the harvesting success rate was 86.7%. The results include non-standard size. Non-standard watermelon was smaller than standard size. The success rate is not so high because of the positioning error of the end effector. If the fruit was covered with leaves, stalks cannot set its manipulator correctly. On the other hand, success rate against only standard size was 100%. As the conclusion, to harvest the fruit of all sizes, the accuracy of the position determination is very important. To improve the accuracy, for example, we should remove the runner perfectly. Thank you for your listening. That's all of my presentation. Does anyone have questions or comments? Mr. Nakajima.
Let's go back to background.
Background.
There are no reference. So, did you draw this picture for myself, or for yourself?
Yes, I'm very good painter.
Very good. Yeah, terrific. You have a talent for this. Very nice.
Yes, I know.
Any other? Anyone? Yes? Your name? Igarashi.
Can you explain the stock? Stock is something initial letters.
Stock is I'm not I think stock is the car lifting the babies. Yes, the shape of stock looks like the car for babies. I think so.
Some kind of bird. Deliver baby. Right? Stock. Yeah, in Japanese, konoto. So if assuming that's watermelon fruits is baby, yeah, just like delivering baby like that. That's why they named this robot Stock. I think.
Yeah, I think so.
Anyone else? Sano.
Compared with manual harvesting, how fast does the machine?
Stock operate harvesting for about 15 seconds, and farmers can do it for 10 seconds. So stocks take for 15 seconds.
I have a couple of questions for you. I look at the picture, it's 1995.
Yes.
Today, are there any watermelon harvest robot used in Japan?
People who want to develop watermelon harvesting robot are not so many. So
There's no machine now available?
watermelon harvesting machine is on study stage, so it is not used practically.
Yeah. Your name is Hida-san.
I'm surprised that when machine harvest standard size watermelon,
Yes.
success rate is 100%. I'm surprised. Why does researchers decide to harvest watermelons, including small size? I think it's better to harvest only standard.
I'm not sure, but I think small watermelon, non-standard size, a small watermelon already, non-standard size grow, non-standard watermelon already grow up, but even they are small. And farmer have to get rid of all watermelons after harvesting. So harvesting standard watermelons and getting rid of small size of watermelon are both task for farmers. Both harvesting standard one and getting rid of small watermelon are task for farmers. So stock was developed for both needs or purpose, I think.
I can't understand well. Yeah, anyway, so this robot can harvest most
Yes.
of them, all of them,
Yes.
but the success rate was different. Normal size is better than smaller size.
Yes. Smaller.
Out of standard is not good, not so good success rate.
Yes. But stock is required to collect
All of them.
even
All of
small size.
No. What's again? What's the reason why success rate was changed? Was different. Some problem.
Yes. The error of positioning. Positioning error. Small. Small watermelon is difficult to
detect?
catch.
Detected by machine vision or handled by end effector? Difficulty is in end effector or in machine vision?
Yes, robot must set their hands rigidly the top of small size watermelon. So
end effector problem.
yes,
Okay. yeah, that's fine. That's fine too. Okay. Ijiri-kun.
Showing the slide on stock. Basically, it's not hard. Some kind of basket to storage the watermelon which pick up a stone.
yes.
And where the watermelon go?
Stalk pick up watermelon and brings watermelon into carrying machine.
Another machine.
Another machine. And so
Another machine has a container. Then fruit into the container on another machine. Two machines. Okay, only one question. Okay, two more questions. Okay, you first.
Can this machine work at night?
Stalk recognize fruit by its camera. So it's ordinary camera. So they work under daylight, I think.
Daytime, only daytime.
Only daytime.
Finally.
Just a couple of comments. Your English presentation was very good.
Thank you.
When you give answers, keep them short. Don't keep talking and talking. Just short answers all the same. This picture is not very good. If you're a good artist, you could improve this.
I have no time.
Well, that's a big problem. Yes. And also, you have no slide numbers. So
Oh.
anybody can get slide numbers. Well,
Okay, thank you. Oh, okay, so fine.
Could I just make one recommendation for everyone that's
Yes, please.
is to repeat the question, because half the time I didn't even hear the question, so I didn't know what his answer he was referring to. So if he would repeat the question, it would make it easier for him to answer it too, because then he knows what the question is.
Oh,
So it'd be true for everyone.
okay. You understand? All of them? All of you? Okay. Yes, you got it. All right. Next presenter should do that, right?
It's just good. It's good
Yeah.
speaking.
That's easy to understand for all of us. Okay. Thank you very much for your discussion.